Come with me to the Asian World Film Festival, featuring the Hollywood red carpet premiere of Hello Love Again. Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo are super nice. I even took pictures with them.
Akalain mararamdaman ko muli ang yakap ng panahon habang kumakalabit ang init at sinag ng araw.
Congratulations.